BTech, isn't it? So everybody who is in a studying in class 12, wherever he is from, any part of India, he is crazy about going into IITs in IIT BTech. So the same kind of opportunities you can have, same kind of placement opportunities, hiring opportunities you can have after BSc also, if you go into IIT. So you will be competing with the same students in the same set of companies. So the hiring opportunities is on par with the BTech students, BTech, MTech students, everybody. This so I just would like to share some personal experience. The person who was with me during MSc, he joined, few of them joined in a diamond company which were making artificial diamond in Singapore. So those people were working for an artificial diamond manufacturing company in Singapore, and some of them went for a geophysical research in CGG Veritas that is based in Mumbai, and people went into Siemens, which were doing optical fiber research in Bangalore as well as in Mumbai. And people went for geo explorations like ONGC. So after MSc, you have sufficient amount of opportunities. So placement, you should not worry about placements after going into IIT. So definitely there are unlimited placement opportunities. Yeah, yeah. GRE, and there is one IELTS, TOEFL. There is GRE, TOEFL, and IELTS. Yes. So actually, you cannot do masters in US after BSc. You have to do MSc. Then you have to go for masters. And the thing is that you can do masters abroad in 1 year, and sometimes you can even do in 8 months. So that is not a problem. So even if you spend 2 years in masters here, you can finish masters abroad in 8 months. Yeah. Yes.
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್.
Yeah. Thank you for this opportunity. I hope that today is the last date. Most of you should complete the forms today itself. And maybe even if you're not convinced to prepare for this exam, just fill the form. Just see, attempt this exam and see how it goes. And 4 months is sufficient time for preparation. And most of the things are from BSc syllabus itself. And third year should not have any problem anyway. They have to revise their own previous things. And per day, if you devote just 1 hour for this competitive examination, you will definitely get above 40%. 40% is the passing percentage. So I don't think, and I have suggested you Arthur Beiser. That itself is sufficient to prepare for this examination. So you should feel confident in going and giving this examination. And there are no negative markings. So I would suggest that you please focus on this exam, prepare with full confidence, and just go and see what all opportunities are there in premier institutions. Thank you so much, Manjunath, Dr. Manjunath. Thank you. Okay.